Understanding the associative property in math. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an exciting concept in mathematics called the associative property. This principle is crucial for understanding how numbers interact in different situations, and mastering it can significantly enhance your problem-solving skills. So, let's dive in and uncover the magic behind the associative property together. The associative property is a fundamental principle in mathematics that explains how the way numbers are grouped in an operation does not change the outcome of that operation. This property applies to addition and multiplication but not to subtraction or division. For example, when adding or multiplying numbers, it doesn't matter how we group them, which ones we choose to add or multiply first. The result remains the same. Let's illustrate the associative property of addition with an example. Consider the numbers 2, 3, and 4. According to the associative property, 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 2 plus 3 plus 4. If we do the math, 5 plus 4 equals 9 and 2 plus 7 equals 9. As you can see, the result is the same, 9, no matter how we group the numbers. This shows that in addition, the grouping of numbers does not affect the sum. Similarly, the associative property of multiplication works the same way. Take the numbers 2, 3, and 4 again. According to the associative property, 2 asterisk 3 asterisk 4 equals 2 asterisk 3 asterisk 4. Calculating both sides gives us 6 times 4 equals 24 and 2 times 12 equals 24. Regardless of how the numbers are grouped, the product is 24. This demonstrates that in multiplication, the grouping of numbers does not affect the product. Understanding the associative property is more than an academic exercise. It's a practical tool that simplifies calculations and problem solving. It allows us to rearrange and group numbers in a way that makes calculations easier and more intuitive. This property is especially useful in algebra, where it helps simplify expressions and solve equations more efficiently. Thank you for joining me to explore the associative property. I hope this video has made the concept clearer and shown you how it applies in both simple arithmetic and more complex mathematical problems. Remember, mathematics is not just about memorizing rules. It's about understanding how these principles work together to solve problems. Keep practicing, and you'll find math becoming more straightforward and more fun. See you in the next video.